Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the world. If you are watching this channel for the very first time, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm JK as usual. Please pay attention to this video because there is a lot to learn if you are a hairstylist and a hairdresser. Not also forgetting those ones who would love to learn things about hair. I'm teaching about a crochet hairstyle that has gone viral called Havana twists. Don't forget to have your cornrows. They have to be inside cornrows done like this. This is the first type, the first step. You have to have your inside cornrows. I think you've watched most of my tutorials. Some of my tutorials when I was teaching how to do the inside cornrows very well. Here now the second step is getting prepared with your sterilized crochet hook. Yes, you have to have your sterilized crochet hook, and then as we get prepared for the second step, after having your inside cornrows done very well, I salute you from wherever you are watching. Thank you for loving your crown. UG. Here now our second step, we're going to our second step. There are two types of crocheting. The first one is a double crocheting done like this. It helps you to lock your hair very well so that it doesn't get out of your corners. Yes, this is how we do it. You just lock it at once. Then the second one, which seems so famous because it's very easy for beginners, is a single crochet, and then you lock your hair using your hands, just like the way I'm going to show you. We are still on the double crocheting. I am going to show you the single crocheting. It's very easy and it's very famous, though it's a bit not quicker than it's a bit slow compared to the double crochet, because the double crochet one you don't need to use your hands when tying your splitted braids into the cornrows. So the single crochet, that's where I'm coming. We are still on the double crochet. You of course do like this. You crochet your braid and then you lock it using the same crochet. Then the double crochet is yet here. Rather, the single crochet is here. Then you crochet your hair with single crochet, then you tie using your hands. If in case you're a beginner, this is the way you can do it. You can first master this. You crochet with single crochet and then you tie using your hands. You tighten it so that it does not get out of your cornrows. Yes, thank you so much. Please follow up this video to the end because there's a lot to learn. And if you're a hair lover, if it's your first time to see this, please, you can text me. You can go into the comment section if there is any hairstyle that you want me to do for you, or you want physical classes. You can email me. Go into my social media platforms, that is TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X. I still use the same name, Hair Crown UG. Yes, so now we're going to the third step, because we are doing Havana twist. So we have to twist our braids, our Havana braids. This is how we twist our Havana braids after splitting them. I taught you how to split them. You can check my previous videos if you missed. Make sure you put enough braids and balance the head very well. And again, don't put too much. It has to just be enough. Yes, you see how I'm twisting them? It's very, very easy. Your hands have to be flexible. And by the way, are you seeing at the gaps I'm leaving? Look at the space. It's the space I left when I was crocheting this hair. I skip the space I skip when I'm crocheting. Please make sure you don't overpack it. And when you are twisting, your hands must be flexible. Don't tighten these strands so much. They have to be a little bit loose in order for the curls to be in nice and organized way and shape to bring out the twist. So this is the most effective nice twist for these curls. Yes, this hairstyle is very easy to handle, to style, and to maintain. So when you are done with all the twisting, and you've packed your head very well, you've balanced it very well, not so much packing but just balancing it. Just see what I'm doing here and see the spaces I leave, and then you've after crocheting, twisting them, and your head is very so well balanced, then don't forget to cut off the dead ends very well, and also shape your client's hair in a style, rather in a stylish way, so that it comes out so well, and you have to be pleased with this. This hairstyle is very good in styling also. It's something that you can wash, swim with it, and the handling of this hair is very easy. You just mix water and oil and spray these curls. It's so easy to handle this hairstyle. I would love you to enjoy this video without me speaking. I think let me get done with the talks here. The talking is done. Now you can just watch what I'm doing here. I have explained everything. Follow every step, and I wish you a successful journey when you are working on your own clients, because I know I have students out there who learn from me. Please learn very well, and you will thank me later. I thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to comment, to like, to share, and to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. See you in my next video. Please watch this video to the end and follow all the steps. I love you all. Bye bye.